Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. I just uploaded the second of my hot working wax for making lost wax casting patterns to Patreon. If you are interested in making your own patterns, unique patterns for lost wax casting, also known as investment casting, check out my page at Patreon. It's Poppy's Workshop, away from you, that's the letter U, tube. No spacing, no dash. YouTube.com. Alright, patreon.com // I believe, yeah. Poppy's Workshop, there's apostrophe in the Poppy's. Away from YouTube. Pattern making for lost wax casting 1. Hot working part 1. Part 2 next week. Anyway, please come on by my Patreon page and patronize me, please. Bye.